Hello, dear seekers of growth and fulfillment. Welcome to a journey that promises to transform your life. Today, we embark on a journey into the transformative power of intentions. Intentions are more than just wishes. They are the conscious decisions we make to shape our reality. In a world often filled with distractions and uncertainties, harnessing the power of intention can be our guiding light. It helps us stay focused and grounded amidst the chaos. It's about aligning our actions with our deepest desires and creating a life that truly resonates with our purpose. Just like planting seeds in a garden, our intentions need nurturing and care to grow. Many of us go through life on autopilot, moving through our days without a clear sense of direction. We react to situations instead of proactively shaping our experiences. This reactive mode can leave us feeling lost and unfulfilled. This is where intentions come in. They act as a beacon, illuminating our path and helping us navigate through life's challenges with clarity and purpose. They provide a roadmap, guiding us towards our desired destination. With clear intentions, we can chart a course that aligns with our true self. By setting clear and focused intentions, we take control of our lives and begin to manifest our dreams into reality. Vision boards, affirmations, and daily reflections are powerful tools to keep our intentions alive and vibrant. Remember, the power of intentions lies in their ability to bring mindfulness into our daily actions. When we live with intention, every step we take is a step towards our dreams. So, let's embrace the power of intentions and create a life filled with purpose, joy, and fulfillment. The journey begins now. Before we delve into the practical steps, let's clarify what intentions truly are. Intentions are more than just fleeting thoughts or casual wishes. They are the driving force behind our actions and decisions. Often, we confuse intentions with wishes or hopes. Wishes are like the seeds of a dandelion, scattered by the wind, with no control over where they land or if they will grow. A wish is a passive desire, a longing for something without any real action behind it. It's like looking at a shooting star and hoping for a miracle, without taking any steps to make it happen. Hope, while more optimistic, still lacks the focused energy of an intention. Hope is like blowing dandelion seeds into the wind, wishing they will take root somewhere, but not directing them towards a specific goal. An intention, on the other hand, is a powerful, directed energy. It's like planting a seed in fertile soil, nurturing it and watching it grow. It's about having a clear vision and taking deliberate steps to achieve it. It's a clear decision about what you want to experience and a commitment to aligning your actions with that desire. Intentions are the roadmap to your goals, guiding your actions and decisions. It's about consciously choosing how you want to show up in the world and what impact you want to make. When you set an intention, you are making a deliberate choice about the kind of person you want to be and the kind of life you want to lead. Think of it as setting a GPS for your life, guiding you towards your desired destination. Just as a GPS provides direction and keeps you on track, your intentions help you navigate through life's challenges and opportunities, ensuring you stay aligned with your true purpose. The first step in harnessing the power of intentions is gaining crystal clear clarity about what you truly desire. This requires introspection, honesty, and a willingness to delve deep into your heart's aspirations. What truly matters to you? What kind of life do you envision for yourself? Start by reflecting on different areas of your life: health, relationships, career, personal growth, and spirituality. What are your deepest desires in each of these areas? Write them down, allowing yourself to dream big. Don't censor your thoughts at this stage. Let your aspirations flow freely onto paper. Step 2. Positive affirmations. Speaking your intentions into existence. Once you have clarity about your aspirations, it's time to transform them into powerful, positive affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce your intentions and program your subconscious mind to support their manifestation. Craft your affirmations in the present tense, as if you are already living your desired reality. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be healthier," affirm, "I am healthy, vibrant, and full of energy." Repeat your affirmations daily, either silently or aloud, with conviction and belief. Feel the energy of your words resonating within you. Step 3. Visualization. Creating a mental blueprint. Visualization is a powerful tool that complements positive affirmations. When you visualize your intentions, you create a mental blueprint that your subconscious mind can then work towards manifesting. Imagine yourself living your desired reality in vivid detail. Engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, smell, taste, and feel? The more real you make it in your mind's eye, the more powerfully you attract it into your physical experience. Make visualization a regular practice, setting aside a few minutes each day to immerse yourself in the feeling of your intentions already being fulfilled. Step 4. Action steps. Walking the path of your intentions. This is where your dreams start to take shape in the real world. Setting intentions and visualizing them is only part of the equation. Visualization helps you see the end goal, but it's the actions you take that will get you there. To truly manifest your desires, you need to take aligned action. This means your actions should resonate with your intentions and be in harmony with your goals. Intentions without action are like seeds planted without water. They will never reach their full potential. Just as seeds need water, sunlight, and care to grow, your intentions need consistent effort and dedication. Break down your intentions into smaller, actionable steps. This makes your goals more manageable and less overwhelming. What specific actions can you take today, tomorrow, and in the coming weeks to move closer to your goals? Write them down, plan them out, and prioritize them. Make a plan and commit to consistent action, even if it's just small steps each day. Consistency is key. Small, regular actions accumulate over time to create significant progress. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Each step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your destination. Embrace the journey and stay committed to your path.